How to upload longer videos than 20 seconds on Messenger. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video of TechTube. Now whether you're trying to upload the longer videos to your story on Messenger or if you're trying to send it to someone on the chat, let me show you how it's done. Now if you're trying to upload it to your stories, you can first head over to the story section, which is on the bottom right, and then you can just tap on add to story. Now in the case of stories, Messenger or Facebook allows its users to upload 30 seconds of video. So you can easily post videos that are longer than 20 seconds, but the video limit is 30 seconds on a single tab of a story on Messenger. But however, if it is longer than 30 seconds, then you need to split those videos into several parts, which is 30 seconds long. So you can use any video editor on your phone, such as CapCut, and then split those videos. Now if you're trying to upload 20-second videos and send it to someone on the message, you can also do that as long as the video is 25 MB. So Messenger allows its users to upload or to send videos on their chats, and the limit of it is 25 MB. If it is longer than 25 MB, you won't be able to send it. So that's how easily you can upload longer videos than 20 seconds on Messenger. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.